Here's how to recover deleted messages in Messenger in 2026. Now, I'm on my iPhone. You can do this on an Android or a computer. Let's first just open up Facebook Messenger and make sure you haven't accidentally just archived a message instead. If you swipe over to the left and tap on archive, you'll be able to see it no longer shows up here. To be able to find that archive, the first thing you can do is tap on menu at the bottom right and then archive. And you'll be able to see all of those archived messages. Now, to be able to just get them back, all you need to do, similar to before, is swipe to left and hit unarchive. Now, if I tap on chats at the bottom left, there Haley is back in my inbox. However, let's say you've already done this or you didn't just archive and unarchive it. You can always recover those messages, but we need to get into Facebook instead. Of course, Facebook Messenger is owned by Facebook. So let's hop out of here and open up the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android, or computer, doesn't really matter. Now from here, we need to get to your settings within Facebook. So to do that on your iPhone, you'll see the menu button at the bottom right, but on a computer and an Android, it'll be at the very top right. So from here, tap on the menu button, scroll down to settings and privacy and open up your settings. Now within your settings, you'll be able to see a lot of various information. And what we're going to look for specifically is how to download and recover those messages. And it's usually within the account center of your Facebook profile. So let's tap on see more in account profile and then your information and permission. This will show you all of your information and allow you to download it. Essentially, if you've accidentally deleted a message, you'll be able to just download it and recover it from here. So we're gonna tap on export your information. You can see it loads up a web-based version and I'm gonna hit create export. Keep in mind, it might ask you for the password for your Facebook account. And on here, we're gonna choose Facebook. Now I'll show you what this looks like and what specifically to choose and what not to choose. We're going to tap on export to your device, your iPhone, Android, or computer. And from here, as we scroll down, we're going to tap on customize information because it will default to all of the information on your Facebook account. And it could take a super long time to be able to download all of that. We don't need all of that. So we're going to tap on clear all and just choose messages and hit save. Now we're only downloading the messages on your phone. And from here, you can choose date range, whether it's the last year, the last week, etc. And then you can hit save. Now, when you're ready to go at the very bottom, just hit the start export. And it will go through the process of starting to create that export. Keep in mind, it's not immediately ready. It usually takes about a few hours to be able to be ready to download. When it is ready to download, essentially you'll just go back to this exact same screen, and instead of cancel here, there'll be a download button. I'll show you where to find it after you do download it. You're gonna hop out of here and we're gonna swipe over to the app library and just search for the Files app. Now within the Files app, it almost always downloads it into the Downloads folder of the files. So we're gonna tap on my iPhone and then Downloads. Within here, you'll be able to see a zipped file. Just tap on the zipped file to unzip it, and then tap on the folder to open it up and navigate to that message, and you'll be able to find all of those deleted or recover all of those deleted messages.